Imagine never having to sit in traffic again to do your dry cleaning. Have you ever wondered how our pickup and delivery service works? Want to know how you can benefit from the most convenient way of doing your dry cleaning? Did I mention it's free? What if I told you there is a more effective way? Stay tuned, because that's exactly what I will be sharing with you today. Hi, I'm Bob Jerkowitz with Model Dry Cleaners. We do the pickup and delivery service in which we're in your neighborhood 2 days a week. It's picked up and delivered right to your front door. There's no monthly minimums, no pickup and delivery fees, and you're paying the exact same price that you would be paying at our store, but it's picked up and delivered right to your front door 2 days a week. No one has to be home. We just pick up and deliver right to your common spot 2 days a week. Your days are either Monday, Thursday, or Tuesday, Friday, depending on where you live. Your credit card will be charged automatically every Monday for the clothes that were delivered the previous week. 3 business days, meaning if it's picked up on Monday, it'll come back to you on Thursday. Picked up Tuesday, comes back to you on Friday, and vice versa. Pin the coupon to a garment, that way it doesn't get lost. You're paying the same price that you will be paying at one of our stores, plus you're saving 45 minutes a week. Just let someone from our garment care team know, and we'll hold your garments until you come back. Place the item in the bag with a note pinned to the garment, and it'll be done at no charge. We ask that you put the hangers in a separate bag, that way it doesn't cause any damage to your garments. We do comforters, drapes, Uggs, leather suedes, wedding gowns and wedding gown preservations, as well as alterations and repairs. Alterations and repairs usually take about a week to get back to you. Leather, suedes, drapes, and wedding gowns take about a month. If you would miss a pickup, you could just go to one of our very convenient locations, and those clothes can be delivered back to you on your next delivery day. If you have any questions or concerns, you can call someone on our customer care team. To get started with this service, go to our website or just click the link below.